Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to do a second review of the Commission King. Why I should this second video for you because the first review I just let you to go through the watch the demo video. But when I go through the members area, go through the members area, I find this course is definitely used to grab this because this provides much valuable training for you, and also this is also a very low price. As soon as the launch 2 to 3 data, the price will go up, but the price after I checked it out is just under $40. And when you click exist, and you will have a pop up with $4 discount. This is about $10. You will grab this course. I definitely you could grab this before, and this is as soon as possible. So before I go to I will go through the members area. What's inside the members area will make you amazing. But before I go with it, I introduce to invite you to this product launch on October 15. This is what is the product is. Sorry. Tailor Your Future, the Massive Affiliate Blueprint 1.0. This is the brand new revolutionary technology and next generation affiliate marketing system that transfers anyone into a high-paying super affiliate with the most complete done-for-you system and traffic techniques without months of setup. So, what is exactly this? What is exactly about this method? Is it also done for you? This is also inside the James News method. This is what with this come close to this level of automations. What you will have come to consider is a full affiliate machine with 40 income streams and over 1 year of email follow-up. Wow. One email, and how many, if you hire someone to write your email, this is upward, this is a professional, it will cost you at least $30 per email, 1 year at least, and how much money you will save. And also, you will get your own white label affiliate marketing course. White label, this is also, this is also you can sell it for yourself, and also you can put your name as your owner and or your logo, and thousands of pages without you having to click edit. The most common pages is to grab your email list, is the landing page or something they will call you a squeeze page, and also and a thank you page, and I think you will include you can sell the marketing course. You will have a sales page, webinar page, or something like that. Automatically update with your information. This is also officially they will launch October 15, 12 p.m. because I am the VIP partner, so I can you can early opening class. You will definitely you can launch. So you can see this is the launch 1 hour before and 12 p.m. This is also October 15, 11 a.m. That is the official launch and 1 hour before. So I will put the link in the description below. The first link you will register this Mastercard and to see how you can help you to bank big commission. So let's take a look. What is inside of the members area? The members area, the module 1 is the welcome email, and you can join his YouTube and join his Facebook private Facebook group, and also you will register for a free affiliate marketing training. And the second, you will get blueprint how you can get success, how you can get success, and this is also included about 4 component majors you should grab in order to get you a success. And then this is also the third part is about how to pick up the select the right affiliate network. This is also included about 3 network. Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and JVC. Warrior Plus and and WordPress and JVC is about make money online. If you are interested in, I'm not in the make money online. I'm also interested in other niches. I'm self-help, personal relationship, dating, and brave and fitness. Click is all about you can sign all of them. You can sign up for free. ClickBank is all about any niche you can find the affiliate product that you can promote. Also, you can how to find the high converting offer. This is all to find something that you just possibly you can grab your visitor into a customer. How to do that? In this video, we will teach you how to do that. So let's go to the module 2. Go to the module 2. You will get a guaranteed approval. As I mentioned it before, as I mentioned it before, because with you when you want to get the approval for JVC and WordPress, because they have very transparent how especially how many sales they make, and also the special and very for visitor and EPC. EPC is about learning per click. So the vendor when they launch their new product, they are very careful about what you are new. You are new in the affiliate marketing, and also you have no sales. They are very careful because they will affect their EPC and also overall the sales turnover. So we'll carefully to pick up to apply. So you should apply for their approval. But the benefit of ClickBank is that you don't have to approval. You will definitely instantly to promote your affiliate in ClickBank. They are called hot link. And also the second part they will teach you how to do that and get the guaranteed approval. This is also a very important thing when you are new and no sales, and how to get the vendor approval. And the second one is about review bonus page. As I am also if you am in my channel, you can see that I have many review pages. This is review pages. This is definitely you can grab it. All of them use Commission Guru. The single Guru is a software. You could build your bonus page, and also you can store your bonus. You will also have a page where you store all your bonus and the bonus page and deliver it, how to deliver your my bonus inside the WordPress and JVC. This is definitely you can grab it. And in this video, the vendor not only to help you how to do that. If you don't, this is also about I think it's about 40 is about $49 per month, just and you could go and under $50 per year. This is also a very awesome price. It is convenient for you promote any affiliate offer. Because when you promote any affiliate offer, if someone and when you go to store when you buy TV, if you I have a TV, this is also both store have a TV. They have about $3,000, but the one will give you a extra if you buy the same price of TV. What is your choice? You will have to buildings to buy with more gift with the same price and the same quality of TV set. This is also very. This is why affiliates to promote the launch with promoters with bonus page, and also why I'm also to offer some exclusive bonus for you. This is also in this video you will teach you not only with Commission Guru, you know, so ClickFunnels. This is also review video. Module 3 is about how to rank your video. YouTube very how to rank your video and rank your video on YouTube. Build of next section is build original free traffic. Other than YouTube, you have other 5 free traffic that you can use. This is definitely you can grab it. This is traffic is the most important for all an affiliate marketer. And the last number, this is a very secret, so I cannot go to the because in front of you because this is a secret method how to generate 100 to 500 free target lists per day guarantee. This is also a very secret, so I cannot reveal it to you. And the module 4 is about another free traffic you can grab it. This is ManyChat account. This is free ManyChat. You can try it for free. But if you can grab it for pro, you will have 500 subscribers. When you compare with some area, you have to pay at least $19 per month. When compared with $10, it's no brainer. But the next thing is you have to create a Facebook business page. If you have no idea and how to create it, you will get it. How to build your business page, how to get, and then you will know how to get free chatbot subscriber. This you will also definitely you can use that because the chatbot subscriber is more easiest to open and click your link when compared with email list. This is why more and more marketers will turn to not only just to build email lists, also to build the bot list because they are more possibilities to open and click your link. This is also you will get sales more easier. How to create a broadcast to promote offer. This is also just like always sponsor. Use also to promote your offer by broadcast email. This is also another function for ManyChat. And then you will get 190 B and 66 case. You will and review how you can get this amount of money. And what is the next step to will introduce what you will to do. So it is also a very powerful and training course. You will get this about this moment is about $10. You will get much how to drive traffic and how to do that for affiliate marketing for product launch. Use YouTube and also use ManyChat. So I highly recommend that you should consider to grab this product as soon as possible before and maybe 1 hour or 3 hours the price will go up. So when the price is so low, I highly recommend that you should grab this training course as soon as possible. Remember, I also have some exclusive bonus for you. I also will include when you click this link below. The second link is my bonus page, and I will also include some kickback and also the commission folder, ManyChat, and also for you for your reference before you decided to buy this training course because they will you have to invest this tools for your investment. This is an investment. You can learn back. So this is the end of the Commission King review and the members area walk you through. I hope this is also very helpful. Don't forget you should register the register before the launch of the register of the webinar as I show you and in the beginning of this video. So I hope it is very useful and hope you will grab this and the Commission King course as soon as possible and before the price go up. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. See you